For a very long time, I was very scared.
Even for men, it's not easy to be bulkier. Like
Your skin becomes better.
cardio पे रिसर्च ज़्यादा हुई है compared to weight training.
Generally, like probably 95% of the people who want to come to the gym or whatever, they want to look better. Right, that's the idea. Health comes
Second.
second.
Do you know there's a women documentary as well, Pumping Iron Woman as well?
No, I haven't seen it.
Guys, welcome to Muscle Matter podcast number 2, and today we have a topic. It's why strength training is important for women. And because I have a woman with me, Amna. So tell me something first. Okay?
Yeah.
कि कोई ऐसा पॉइंट था जहाँ पे स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग से थोड़ा डर लग रहा था कि मसल बढ़ जाएगा?
Okay, so when I was not in this field, myself, तो तब ये बहुत सुनने को भी मिलता था जो ज़रा बड़े थे आपसे या जाते थे जिम वगैरह, स्पेशली हम टॉकिंग अबाउट द विमेन, कि अगर आपने वेट्स उठाए, तब तो स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग का पता ही नहीं था स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग क्या होती है, लेकिन बस वेट्स उठाए तो आप आदमियों की तरह बल्की हो जाएंगे. बल्की वॉज द वर्ड, लाइक आपके आप बाइसेप बहुत बड़े हो जाएंगे, यू लुक लाइक अ मैन एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. ठीक है. एंड सो आई थिंक फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम आई वॉज वेरी स्केयर्ड ऑफ लिफ्टिंग वेट्स. हालांकि जेनेटिकली यू नो दैट आई कैन लिफ्ट गुड अमाउंट ऑफ वेट, राइट. बट अपने उस टाइम पे शुरू में जब मैं जिम जा रही थी या कर रही थी फ्रेंड्स वगैरह के साथ, आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हम वो क्लासेस वाली रूम में जहाँ पे छोटी मोटी चीज़ें एब्स वाले एक्सरसाइजेज हैं, लेकिन स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग के पास या वेट्स के पास इसलिए नहीं गए क्योंकि एक बहुत बड़ा फियर था जो कि अभी तक बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों में है, जिसकी वजह से वी आर डूइंग दिस पॉडकास्ट. दैट स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग इज़ लाइक व्हाट इट मीन्स इज यू गोना बल्क, यू गोना लुक लाइक अ मैन, योर inches will increase, your muscle will become so big that you will look like a man. That is one issue which I also faced. Yes, definitely.
Yeah, so a lot of women जो जिम में आती है सबसे पहला उनका fear होता है स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग से रिलेटेड कि यार वो बल्की तो नहीं
हो जाएंगे.
Which is like far from truth. Even for men it's not easy to be bulkier. Like we have to eat a lot and train a lot and do it for a very long time, for years and years to look certain way.
I mean इतना आसान नहीं है मसल गेन करना जितना लोगों को लगता है हमने घर जिम चले गए.
And also there's a difference between gaining 20 pounds of muscle and 5 pounds of muscle.
Yeah.
अगर किसी को बल्कियर लुक चाहिए तो उसको 20-25 पाउंड मसल गेन करना होगा. वो 5 पाउंड मसल
खाना भी होगा
काफी, और उसको करने के लिए काफी खाना होगा और काफी लंबे टाइम
बिकॉज इतना नहीं हम एपेटाइट खा सकते, राइट, कंपेयर टू अ मैन यूजुअली.
तो इफ यू आर नॉट ईटिंग अ लॉट, इफ यू आर नॉट स्पेसिफिकली गोइंग ऑन अ बॉडी, इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग इट फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, तो वो आपका बल्क नहीं होगा और वो भी नहीं सकता, क्योंकि वुमेन का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट इज विद वेरी लो मसल मास कंपेयर टू मैन. स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है जस्ट बिकॉज कि हमारे मैन वुमेन के हार्मोनल डिफरेंस की वजह से, बिकॉज फीमेल आर मोर एस्ट्रोजन डोमिनेटेड, men are more testosterone dominant, तो उसकी वजह से हमारा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट डिफरेंट होता है. Men have more muscles, females have less muscle to start with.
Yeah.
So when they go on this journey, when they're lifting weight, yes, they do gain muscle, but वो इतना muscle नहीं होगा जो आपका बल्कियर लुक देगा. But actually जो लुक आता है वो is very lean.
But where is this scare coming from? Where did it come from? Even years before, where did it come from?
I actually don't know where this comes from. Again, last podcast में मैंने discuss किया था Jane Fonda. तो I think again जितनी भी
But Jane Fonda तो लगती she never looked muscular.
She never looked muscular.
Yeah.
But that's the thing now. But what kind of activities they were doing? जो
They were doing
DVDs आ रही थी उस time पे जो
cardio and steppers and छोटे मोटे भी.
तो वो जितना भी aerobic exercises थी वहाँ पे उस वक्त, तो promotion सिर्फ cardio promotion नहीं हो रही थी weights की. And plus when you compare the researches, कार्डियो पे रिसर्च ज़्यादा हुई है कंपेयर टू वेट ट्रेनिंग. स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग वेट ट्रेनिंग की रिसर्च लास्ट 10-20 ईयर्स में ज़्यादा हुई कंपेयर टू अगर कार्डियो की रिसर्च देखें तो वो बहुत पहले से होती है.
I think
साइंस स्पीक्स मोर टुवर्ड्स कार्डियो. नाउ दे आर स्पीकिंग अबाउट स्ट्रेंथ मोर and they're coming up with the benefits कि men or women everybody should do strength.
I think एक और भी फैक्टर है ना कि उस टाइम पे जो बॉडी बिल्डर्स थे वो जब हमारे पास तो नहीं थे, हम सिर्फ देखते ही थे लाइक टीवी पे. हमारा तो बहुत कम इन द सेंस के औरतों को देखने को मिलता था इतना, क्योंकि जिम्स में कम होती थी औरतें. I'm talking about 15-20 years ago, 25 years ago.
I think वो if you go back in 70s 80s,
Yeah.
तो उस वक्त जिम में से बॉडी बिल्डर्स होते
बॉडी बिल्डर्स होते थे. सो अगर जब आप औरतें जाना शुरू करें and if they see men and weights there, so the only connection they make is कि अच्छा वो they are so big that because they are lifting weights, so I think we need to stay away from that. I think that's how it started, this scare of
हाँ तो क्योंकि विजुअली हम लोग देखते हैं कि दे आर लाइक 250 pound guy looking like heavy puff flipping
Yeah.
weights. तो हमारा एक फॉरेन एसोसिएशन है दी वेट्स की
हाँ.
buff dudes है. But actually over the time people started to understand the benefits of
there was Arnold's documentary Pumping Iron.
pumping iron. That
That
was like in 77.
But that was such a huge, it was all about
It was all about competition, pumping up and all that.
men are doing that and doing all that.
Do you know there's a women documentary as well, Pumping Iron Women as well?
No, I haven't seen it.
It is there, I think 1980 में वो release हुई थी. You didn't get the popularity as much as the Pumping Iron one, but females की भी Pumping Iron है, so if you want to watch that. तो 80 से women started lifting weights properly. If you remember this movie, Arnold की movie है, Terminator 2.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, उसमें the woman lead नाम
How did you know me? I don't remember the name.
Sarah Connor का जो character उसने किया था. If you see her muscles, she was very lean in that movie. And उसका पहला जो scene था, she was doing a pull-ups. The first scene that.
So that's where it started changing. And maybe there's the thing.
So women and strength training has to be there because women should do strength training. उसके काफी सारे reasons हैं. Other than aesthetic, yes.
Is one of the
Weight loss does not give you aesthetic. It's a combination of weight loss plus muscle that gives you aesthetics. So जितनी भी females who wants to have a good curvy body, shape अच्छा चाहिए, all those things उसको करने के लिए muscle gain करना ज़रूरी है. उसके बाद नहीं होगा. वरना वो होगा क्या? आपने weight lose कर लिया, then you become a smaller but still a fatter version of yourself.
Yeah.
कि आपका फ्रेम छोटा हो गया बट आपका बॉडी फैट.
I think वो जो आइडिया है जो एक हमें चाहिए होता है, अगर हम देखें जनरली लाइक 95% of the people who want to come to the gym or whatever, they want to look better, right? That's the idea. Health comes secondary, right? So आपने अच्छा दिखना होता है, बट वो जो कॉन्सेप्ट है अच्छा दिखने का वो रिलेट नहीं कर सका है स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग से फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, कि वो जो आपको स्कल्प्टेड बॉडी चाहिए वो स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग से आएगी, कार्डियो से नहीं आएगी. ये बात समझना बहुत मुश्किल है, हमें अभी तक मुश्किल होती है.
Yeah, because still what people are promoting is HIIT.
हाँ.
Now HIIT is very good for anybody in a performance site. Endurance performance site. HIIT is very good, but it does not promote muscle growth that much. For someone who's a beginner, फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत वो promote कर देता है muscle gain. But if you are someone who's been training for a while, HIIT will not promote.
अच्छा, let's talk about more benefits that women can have from strength training. ठीक है. So बहुत सारे हैं. I think we can go on and on and on. But do you want to touch on something which is more very?
I think health as you're growing older. I'm just right now talking about aesthetic. तो एक हो गया कि aesthetic. अगर if you want to look aesthetically pleasing, you have to build some muscle. Now again, it doesn't have to be 20 pounds of muscle. If you're getting 5 pounds of muscle and then you're cutting down body fat, तो आप aesthetically you look much better and stronger. But at the same time, अगर दूसरे benefits की हम लोग बात करते हैं, तो I think health के हिसाब से जो number one benefit what I see is prevention of osteoporosis is number one thing I would say. In US, the 6th leading cause of death is falling and breaking hip bone. Yeah, I don't know exactly true, but I read it somewhere. कि 6th leading cause है कि आपकी अगर आप if you have a fall और अगर hip bone आपकी टूट जाती है, then you don't survive because of osteoporosis.
Yeah, okay.
Osteoporosis है क्या? I'll just explain this कि बोन्स की डिजीज़ है जिसमें आपकी बोन मिनरल डेंसिटी कम हो जाती है, और उसको प्रिवेंट हम किस तरीके से कर सकते हैं? टू बाय डूइंग द स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग. कि अगर आपकी बोन्स पे इनफ फोर्स है, एक्सटर्नल फोर्स आ रही है, तो योर बोन्स ऑल्सो अडेप्ट एंड बिकम स्ट्रोंगर. जैसे मसल गेन हम करते हैं स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग से, सेम वे अगर आपने स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग के साथ आपकी बोन्स भी अडेप्ट करती हैं एंड बिकम स्ट्रोंगर. So that's the most important benefit I think every woman should consider, especially if you're mid-30s, 40 की करीब आप चाह रहे हो. उस टाइम पे डोंट थिंक कि अगर मैं 50 की होंगी हड्डियाँ कमजोर होगी उसके बाद I'll change for it. Start right now.
एक और चीज़, I think women would really like it. There's a study, there's a data that says that your skin becomes better because especially when you strength training and you are providing enough protein to your body. For example, जो हम कहते हैं कि strength training के साथ protein होता है, your skin gets better. And because protein क्या है, collagen आपका ज़्यादा production होती है आपकी body में, तो naturally you can do it. And you have, like, there's a study, it's not just a myth or everything.
Yeah, so there's a correlation into it.
Yeah.
कि अगर आप strength training कर रहे हो तो आपकी nutrition भी better
होती है. Exactly.
Normally you don't think about getting protein in. But
And
जब आप training कर रहे हो तब आपकी actually automatically you think about कि what do I do to recover from it. This is where protein intake comes in. और अगर protein intake आ रहा है तो वहाँ पे आपको extra benefits भी मिलते हैं. तो आपके hair की growth भी better है, आपकी skin भी better होती है. All those things, women like all those benefits.
Yeah, definitely. That's exactly what I'm saying. That's why I said that there's a skin जिसके लिए हम thousands and thousands and spend on making our skin better. So वो आपको extreme training से भी मिल सकती है if you are getting yourself fed well as well. I think the way you.
So it's more of a protein thing. Protein.
Yeah. But when you're in strength training, you do ना.
You do.
Yeah.
तो फिर वो it's another benefit strength training का.
Yeah.
But health में अगर हम लोग दूसरी बात करें तो I think have you heard this word functional training?
Yeah.
I think it's a biggest in the training in a recent year is the biggest. I wouldn't say a scam, but it's the biggest gimmick.
A biggest gimmick.
Gimmick, I would say. Of course, there's a benefits to it. But जिस तरीके से वो promote
किया
और जिस तरीके से जो exercises उसमें होती है, I'm sure a lot of people are doing a good job into it. But जिस तरीके से वो हो रही है ना कि squat down, shoulder press, stand, या squat down, lateral raises, lunges, bicep curl, those kind of stuff.
I think again it's वो कि आप एक कम टाइम के अंदर कितना ज़्यादा
कितने ज़्यादा ये मूवमेंट एक साथ ही एक्सरसाइज के अंदर हमने ऐड कर दी और everybody is trying to come up with some their own version of exercises.
Yeah.
जिसका even so many bootful people are doing this, like it's just like it's not even funny.
उठ के भी तो हम जा ही नहीं सकते.
कि इतनी चीज़ें वो लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि उन्होंने कुछ भी बना दी मूवमेंट. कुछ भी मूवमेंट बना दी है. उसके पीछे there has to be some concept behind this. 2-3 exercises को mix करके they made something out of it and called it a functional training. Now functional training अगर the real essence of functional training अगर बात करते हैं, anything that enhances your functionality is a functional training. सही. तो if I'm doing a squat, तो इस squat is not a functional training. It is a functional training, right?
Definitely.
Even if I'm doing the simplest as bicep curl, I'm still training the functionality of my bicep and my elbow.
Yeah.
तो फिर मुझे फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग अलग से करने की क्यों ज़रूरत है? एक सिंपल एज दैट कि मैं अगर असेस करता हूँ अपनी मूवमेंट्स को जहाँ पे मुझे काम करने की ज़रूरत है, आई ऐड दोज एक्सरसाइजेस.
Yeah.
That's a functional. So it becomes a functional training. So functionality is something as age आपकी डिक्रीज हो जाती है. Right?
Yeah.
If you see your elders, कि काफ़ी लोगों को सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ने पर प्रॉब्लम है.
ज़मीन से उठने में बनता है. बहुत सारे लोग नमाज भी बैठ के पढ़ते हैं. हाँ.
एंड सो स्लो से कोई चीज़ उठानी होती है तो फिर वो सपोर्ट लेके उठा पाता है. बैक टू ईट बैंड नहीं कर पाते. रेंज ऑफ मोशंस कम हो जाती है. ये सारे फंक्शनैलिटी इशूज़ है. ये क्यों होता है? क्योंकि एज वी आर एजिंग जो फंक्शनैलिटी यूज़ नहीं करते ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, योर बॉडी इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक नोस इट.
Using it. I say.
वो लूज होना शुरू होती है एंड वी कम टू दैट पॉइंट कि अभी ज़मीन से उठाना मुश्किल हो जाता है. लॉट ऑफ ओल्डर पीपल हमारे सामने एग्जाम्पल है जिनको ज़मीन से उठना मुश्किल है. तो हाउ डू वी make sure that with age we are keep getting better, right? And the answer is strength training. And strength training is not only about कि आप heavy से heavy weight आप lift करो.
हाँ, ये एक और बहुत बड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट है कि इसका अगर आपने स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग करनी है, इसका मतलब है आपने मर के चीज से बाहर निकलना है अपनी क्लास के बाद, एंड यू विल बी डेड एंड यू वोंट बी एबल टू एनीथिंग. यू विल बी पुश्ड टू लिफ्ट really heavy, otherwise it doesn't make any sense, it won't work, which is another concept which is not true. You don't really have to go.
You don't have to go all out. Especially if you're starting out, you don't have to be dead at all when you're training.
Yeah.
Right? You just have to learn the movements, study techniques के ऊपर आप काम करो, and you have enough stimulus to.
But I think that is again done by the trainers, right? That is again कि वो जो पहले दिन दूसरे दिन आ रहा है आपको मार के भेजो, तो that means that's a good session. ये
फोर्स reps का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है ना कि पहला सेशन है, कोई आया है उसको लेग एक्सटेंशन पे आपने डाला और तब आप
हाँ मतलब मेक श्योर कि वो अगले दिन चल ना सके
ये सो वो सारी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, इवन इट बिकम्स काउंटर प्रोडक्टिव।
या
क्योंकि अगर आपने ऐसी हालत में किसी को भेजा कि एक हफ्ते तक वो सो गए,
वापस ही नहीं आ सकता जिम में, तो व्हाट्स द पॉइंट?
what's the point?
Yeah.
So it's better कि आप एक easy approach and very sustainable approach के साथ उसको लेके चलो। Assess कि what exercise, what's the strength level, and then based on that you create a program जहाँ पे slowly you create adaptation.
Yeah.
Strength training first thing is a very skilled word, right? And plus focus on the adaptation. तो अगर adaptation के तरीके से चले तो you don't have to do a lot. ऐसा नहीं होगा जब तुम आप मर नहीं जाए, आपको जिम से बैंडिंग करना इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं होगी। यू नो कि यू आर यूज्ड टू सर्टेन स्ट्रेस, यू गिव अ लिटिल मोर देन योर जॉब विद दैट देन होगा।
Okay.
तो फॉर द फीमेल्स की फंक्शनैलिटी जल्दी लूज हो जाती है कंपेयर टू मैन, अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ द लैक ऑफ मसल,
Because we don't work towards it.
और इनिशियली भी आपका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट भी काफ़ी कम
कम होता है।
कंपेयर टू मैन।
Yeah.
तो एज यूर एजिंग तो आपकी फंक्शनैलिटी काफ़ी तेजी से मिलना शुरू हो जाएगी, तो उसको किस तरीके से हम बेहतर कर सकते
One more thing which I think we would love to do, that we can eat more and still stay in shape. The only thing that can do
हैं?
is
मेटाबॉलिज्म का वर्ड तो वी जस्ट थ्रो अराउंड लाइक anything, but metabolism actually some people actually confuse that with the digestion as well, but by the way digestion and metabolism is two different
things. Yes.
We are not going into that कि दोनों में फर्क क्या है, but these are the two different things. तो metabolism होता क्या है कि at what rate your body is burning fuel or energy,
ठीक है।
that's your metabolism.
Yeah.
तो वो उसकी जो मेंटेनेंस है वो आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म है। अब मेटाबॉलिज्म को हम लोग को हेल्दी किस तरह करना हो, जिस तरीके से हम लोग का हमारी लाइफस्टाइल है इस वक्त एट दिस करंट एज, हायर मेटाबॉलिक रेट कंसिडर टू बी अ
Good thing.
गुड, क्योंकि द फूड इज इजीली अवेलेबल। इफ यू गो इन लाइक हंटिंग एंड गैदरिंग के लाइफ पे अगर आप चले जाओ, वहाँ पे स्लोअर मेटाबॉलिज्म
Was more beneficial because
क्योंकि वहाँ पे फूड की अवेलेबिलिटी
Scarce. ठीक है।
राइट, तो जितना स्लो मेटाबॉलिज्म हो उतना बेटर।
up it's the
Up is
opposite.
right. Because food is easily available, so a higher metabolic rate is better. Right? Because you're burning fuel in much higher rate than.
Yeah, so for women, strength training will give you
Some extra benefit on metabolic rate.
The-
Now, if you see the researchers, जो difference है वो इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है.
Yeah.
Right? कि at rest, if you see कि higher body fat or higher muscle mass में कितना difference है, तो वो बहुत marginal difference है. But your performance becomes so much better जब आपकी मसल बेहतर होता है, तो उसके साथ आपकी एनर्जी एक्सपेंडिचर ज़्यादा हो। If you see in a practical example, like you see us eating,
yeah.
right? किस तरीके से हमको खाने का,
Oh my god,
we eat a lot.
I have to see that. Yeah,
We eat a lot. We go on like just 3,500, 4,000 calories
easily.
Yeah, we go and still we struggle gaining more weight.
Yeah.
तो वो सारी चीज़ें हैं, तो benefits तो ये कि अगर आप फीमेल है, if you going on a very short period of, we call it bulk, but just go on a muscle building program. Just for 3 months, just go on a muscle building program.
And see how you can make becomes
Every single person is failing on diet. Every single person fail on diet. तो जब आप fail होते हो ना diet से, तो you already on surplus. तो why not just plan it and do it? 3 महीने के लिए कर, with a very structured diet plan and a very structured training plan.
Yeah.
Keep getting stronger. You reach that point जहाँ पे you're very strong and you're eating 2,200 calories. It's a very good space when you have a lot of food to eat. And then also you decide, okay, now we cut down the body fat.
As well, I want you to explain this as well कि body fat कि when you have more muscle in your body जो कि आपको strength training से मिलता है, right? Talking about the women specifically at the moment. And उसके बाद because हम बहुत ज़्यादा fat loss के चक्कर में हैं, right? तो अगर हमारे पास strength train हम कर रहे हैं, हमारा muscle build हो रहा है, which means we are creating an environment in the body where body wants to keep the muscle, right? Because we are working on it, we're training it. So when we need energy, it will go from the fat itself, right? So even the data says, the research says that strength training is the best approach for fat loss.
Yes, it is.
It is.
क्योंकि हम जो भी एक्टिविटी करते हैं बॉडी को हम सिग्नल देते होते हैं, what do we need?
Yeah.
Right. Strength training creates stress for the muscle, the body wants to hold on the muscle.
Yeah.
राइट. तो अगर डेफिसिट मेंटेन है और स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग साथ में है तो डेफिसिट जितना भी मेंटेन है तो ये बॉडी वांट्स टू होल्ड इन द मसल तो इट गोज फ्रॉम द फैट.
Yeah.
बट अगर आप कार्डियो ज़्यादा करते एंड यू आर बर्निंग लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी तो वहाँ पे ये बॉडी वांट्स टू होल्ड इन द फैट
And holding that.
and let go of the muscle क्योंकि मसल की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है एंड मसल अगर एनर्जी एक्सपेंडिचर आपका मेन गोल है इन द ट्रेनिंग तो योर बॉडी डोंट वांट टू होल्ड इन द मसल क्योंकि देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस ऑन द अदर साइड व्हिच इज लाइक बर्निंग लॉट ऑफ कैलोरीज. तो वहाँ पे
But this is exactly what it happens ना कि आपने कार्डियो शुरू किया, आपने अपनी कैलोरीज रोकी, उसके बाद बस वहाँ पे आके आप रुक गए, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं हो रहा, फिर आप क्या करते हो थोड़ा सा और कैलोरीज नीचे कर देते हो, आप थोड़ा सा और भागना शुरू कर देते हो, यू एड एक्स्ट्रा थिंग
again then
Even
this is where you reach the point where you have nowhere to go.
and then even then you do not look the way you want to look.
Yeah.
थोड़ा स्केल नीचे चला गया, but then what? उसके बाद क्या?
So many people coming in my mind right now.
I don't know.
Who are they? Who are at this
I
point?
know.
And they don't want to change a lot of stuff. They're trying to.
But I'm very happy because I have a successful client who has come from that background and finally she has adapted and understood because she's seen it. I would like to thank her. I'm not going to name her, but I would like to thank her that she trusted the system and she trusted me and our gym and our trainers and our concept, and she followed it and she has gotten the result and now she wants to strength train only.
Yeah, and even right now, I have 5 females who are on bulk. That's crazy. So it's a very lucky for me that there are a lot of women who want to become stronger.
Yeah.
And when we have a consultation, उसके बाद we decided कि let's go on bulk first, and then the body fat cut करना वो बाद में करेंगे. So even right now, I'm training 5 females who are on bulk. Was trying to gain more muscle, hitting over 2,000 calories and all those things, and they're seeing the benefits.
अच्छा, एक और बात, जैसे हम पहले हमने भी बात कर लिया है कि the reasons why women should strength train, हमने bone की बात कर ली, हमने better skin की बात करी because of protein or whatever, and then we're talking about fat loss as well, and then हम sculpt की भी बात करते हैं, right? जब हम strength train कर रहे होते हैं तो we also look better. उस पे ज़रा can you tell why?
See, if you're losing weight and you're losing muscle at the same time, so you become the skinnier and fatter version of yourself.
Yeah.
Right. So you end up become the skinny fat. This is what, and Asians are grow at eating skinny fat. Right. क्योंकि बचपन से एक तो हमारे पास एक्टिविटी ऐसे कम, स्पोर्ट्स में हम इतने छोटे हैं, मसल मेमोरी वैसे ही वीक है, तो we become the skinny fat. Now, skinny fat is not appealing when you grow up. Right. It looks saggy. It looks weak, shoulder वैसे ही drop होते हैं, body का posture अच्छा नहीं, all those things, and the injuries will come. वो एक बात की एक और situation.
ठीक है.
तो अगर आपको well sculpted physique चाहिए जहाँ पे you look leaner, body का shape आपका अच्छा हो, you have a good curves, all those things, if you need it, you have to build muscle for that. अगर muscle build होगा, उसके बाद अगर आपने fat loss किया है, you come down on lower body fat, this is where you will fit. What people are doing, they're trying to lose fat as much as possible, not thinking about the muscle bhi ja raha hai saath mein, so they become a skinnier fat. And this is where the problem comes in. So if you want to look better, ditch cardio for now, go on a strength train. Give yourself few months, see the difference. You may not see a lot of growth on scale, but what you'll see is that you look very appealing.
But that is also a big bust because when you have 1 kilo of fat and 1 kilo of muscle, it looks very different, right? Even if it weighs the same, right?
In diameter, fat takes more space than muscle. Muscle is more dense.
So when it's more dense, when it's not all over the place like fat is, so you will look better, right? Even if the scale doesn't move.
Fat doesn't have shape.
Yeah.
Muscle has shape. Right? तो shape अगर चाहिए तो फिर muscle.
And यही बात women say we want to, be in shape, we need to be toned, लेकिन वो समझ नहीं आता connection के वो इसी से आएगा.
Yeah.
वो जो shape की आप बात कर रहे हैं वो cardio से कभी नहीं आएगा.
Cardio से कभी नहीं आएगा. हाँ, lower body fat होना ज़रूरी है, पर lower body fat के लिए cardio करने की ज़रूरत है. उसके लिए deficit की ज़रूरत है. अब deficit अगर आपका खाने से maintain है, you don't have to do cardio. अगर cardio extra करके deficit maintain करना, वो भी there's nothing wrong with it as long as your strength training is taken care of. Once you take care of this, then cardio, yeah. Nothing wrong with it. One more thing I think very interestingly is your daily shows that you do. How many women wants to put the water gas in a dispenser? that's
I made a video
on this. Like,
yeah.
That's very important. Like, अभी water cannon उठा के रखना है तो सबसे पहले किसी को आवाज लगती है ना कि
इंतजार करो.
one of the men of the family will come and that do it for you.
Yeah, why? Vacation day. When you're traveling alone, there's something like that. When you travel here and there, I see a lot of women just waiting for someone to come. वो छोटा सा बैग भी उठा के अपनी ट्रॉली पे रखने का या वो करने का. They can't do it.
Yeah.
They just can't do it.
Even we have a client, उसका गोल ये था कि जब मैं travel करूँ, I want to pick up my own bag. And that's a very good goal to have.
That's a very good goal.
That's a very good goal to have. कि yeah, ठीक है, fat loss, weight loss is one thing, but I want to be able to.
You really want to be independent, right? As much as you can be. And if you're not independent because you're not strong enough, like physically, I mean, that's
one of the so there's so many benefits of strength training specifically for women. Because if you're thinking about men, a lot of physical activity they do it. Someone move करना they do. वो सारी चीज़ों में they are already, yes, they will become better if they do strength training, but females के लिए specifically then build confidence in them. Confidence to do things.
And you will not get bulky. You will not get a lot of muscle that you look like a man. That is not true. That is not.
This is not how a human body works.
This is
every pound of muscle you want to gain, you have to work a lot.
Yeah.
वो ऐसा लगता है कि बड़ा आसान है कि मसल
हमारे बॉयज ट्राई कर रहे हैं आजकल. आप आके उनसे पूछ लें क्या.
लाइक एक सर्टेन पॉइंट पे आके वो खाना भी बस हो जाता है कि वो खाया भी नहीं जा रहा भी उस पॉइंट पे आ जाते हैं. बट यस, गेनिंग मसल, यू हैव टू ईट अ लॉट, यू हैव टू ट्रेन हार्डर, यू हैव टू ट्रेन हेवी, all those things.
And also, isn't strength training one way that you can slightly manipulate your gains? Like if you want to work more on glutes, you can do more. You can want to work more on shoulders, you want to do it. Like women, we would love to work on the glutes, right? We would love to have leaner arms and toned arm, okay. Whereas in cardio, you cannot do any of that. But yes, when you're training, you have a slight edge there where you can work on a specific thing more to grow and look better.
Yeah, every woman wants to build muscle on glutes.
Yeah.
Nobody likes flat ass.
Yeah.
That is
yeah.
Nobody likes flat ass.
Yeah.
So if you want to have good shape on your glutes, want to have good bulk, good thighs, all those things, good arms, yeah, look,
you have to.
That's again the strength training. Cardio work will never give you that look.
It's gonna be the opposite.
So strengthening and fat loss, and not strengthening and cardio. They're two different things.
Yeah.
So focus on the fat loss and the strength training and recovery, and you will have a better shape than compared to if you're doing cardio, eating less. You're not getting in a good shape. How possible?
No one has. I've never met anyone who has.
किसी को देखना कि कपड़ों के अंदर वो बहुत कम लग रहा है weight loss. That's a different thing.
That's a different thing.
But you have to see yourself actually, how you're actually looking. Are you looking leaner, or you're looking flat?
And strength, fitness,
and there are all the other benefits that we discussed. That's also
come along.
With
strength. So yeah.
So this was all about why women should do strength training.
And if you still have any questions, more than welcome to ask.
Yeah, so you can comment below and do subscribe with us because we will be putting out a lot of content.
Yeah.
And if you want us to speak about any specific topic, do let us know. So this is the end of our second podcast.
Yes.
So
women strength train.
Yes, women should do strength training. And we'll see you in next podcast. So, taf tak ke liye.
Bye-bye.